writers, and we are on step 5, and you're getting ready to type or write your thesis. So this is one of the most important steps. They're all very important, but this is an important step, okay? And you're probably asking yourself, what is a thesis? And that's a good question. So hold on just a moment, and we will go into what a thesis is. All right, so a thesis statement. If you're looking at what a thesis statement is, it's what you believe and what you intend to explain, okay? It's overarching what it is that you believe, and then how are you going to prove that to me, okay? So it has to be strong, it has to be, I believe, I feel, and you have to have some reasons, okay? So I've kind of set you up that way already in your organizer. You gave me what you believe, and then you also had to give me some reasons. 3 reasons. Okay? For example, if you're looking at this one, it says teaching is the most essential job to the population. And the reasons for that are they teach us how to read, they teach us how to write, and they teach us how to make a thesis. Okay? Those are the 3 things that this person is going to give specific examples to talk about what that thesis is. So the thesis is all of those things. It is your I believe statement, and it is your 3 reasons. All 4 of those put together will make your thesis statement. What you believe and your 3 reasons all put together into one paragraph. Okay? So looking at that, you can see that you have some things already filled out. Please don't mess with them, okay? I have given you your I believe, your belief statement, and then your 3 reasons. I've already given you most of your thesis statement, okay? In the next step, I'm going to show you how you're going to link all of these things together. But you've already written most of your thesis statement, okay? You should have a strong I believe, and then you should have 3 strong reasons, 3 general reasons why you believe that thing, whether you love it or you hate it, okay? So, in the next video, it's going to show you how you are going to transition those statements into one paragraph. As you notice, you can kind of see that there are some pieces that are falling together here for you. I hope it's starting to make a little bit of sense. Again, please don't mess in any other box other than the dark green. Okay? Mess that up, you're messing up your whole entire paper so far. Questions? Let me know. We are moving on to writing our thesis. We are moving into transitional phrases for our thesis. More specifically, I will see you on the next video. Let's get this going so we can move on and move up. Okay, bye.